What is English for Specific Purposes or ESP? ESP, it tailors English teaching to learners' academic and professional or vocational needs. It's important because it provides relevant, directly applicable language skills. What are the key learning from this course? I learned to analyze for I learned analysis for identifying learners' requirements, focusing on target learners, developing specialized vocabulary, designing relevant materials, and improving workplace communication. In ESP, I have learned to design courses meeting specific students' needs like business in English. In classroom, I can use needs assessment, authentic materials, and focus on practical communication skills for the career.